Did you know that in 2025, thousands of people in the US are already making over $100 a day online just by using AI tools like ChatGPT? And the best part is, you don't need any special skills or big investments to start. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple methods to make money with ChatGPT, starting today. The first way is freelance writing with AI. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are full of clients looking for blog posts, product descriptions, and even social media captions. Normally, writing takes hours, but with ChatGPT, you can create high-quality content in minutes. Here's how it works. 1. Create a free Fiverr profile. 2. Use ChatGPT to write articles or marketing posts. 3. Deliver fast. Charge between $10 to $50 per project. Just 3 to 4 small gigs a day can bring you over $100 daily. Visuals: Etsy store, Gumroad sales, ebook covers. The second method is selling AI-generated products. On sites like Etsy or Gumroad, people are already selling ChatGPT prompts, ebooks, and digital guides. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to create a beginner's guide to saving money in America, a collection of healthy meal plans, or even fun kids' storybooks. Once uploaded, these products sell 24/7, meaning you earn passive income without working every single day. Visuals: stock videos, AI editing software, faceless channel mockup. The third method is my favorite: YouTube automation with AI. You don't need to show your face or record with a camera. Instead, 1. Use ChatGPT to write your script. 2. Add AI voiceover. 3. Combine stock videos and images with simple editing. With one viral video, you can reach thousands of US viewers. After monetization, YouTube pays between $10 to $20 per 1,000 views in the finance and business niche. That means one good video could make you hundreds of dollars. Visuals: sub-button animation, money counting, voiceover. So if you want to start making money online in 2025, try these 3 AI-powered methods: freelance writing, digital products, and YouTube automation. Which method would you try first? Comment below. I'll reply to help you out.